And welcome back to Primetime News.
Special welcome to viewers on onespotmedia.com as well as TVJ International in the Cayman Islands.
Now, up first this evening, that is a lie. The mother of the 9-year-old boy who told his teacher she's bleaching his skin is clearing the air this evening.
She is refuting the comments made by her son and citing a skin condition. Romarda Lyons reports.
It was in a classroom like this. The boy's teacher said he came to school and told her his mother was bleaching his skin. But the woman said she's oblivious as to why he would make such a statement.
Me tone my skin. Liver is in a dark corner about something bleaching. And then someone had to tell him that it is bleaching for him to go in there to say it is bleaching. So the teacher had to be tutoring him to say it is bleaching.
This was her and the boy shortly after he was born. She says she found out he had eczema at 2 months old. And at a very young age, the boy had visible rashes on his skin from his face to his feet.
Even the foot bottom and middles. Rash first, then water bumps, then peel, then the skin changing, as I have proof of pictures here of a 2 months old baby. Children's hospital admitted for 3 to 6 weeks.
As a result, she says she has been using ointments on his skin to treat it.
Been using hydrocortisone, Cetaphil, Amins powder, Aveeno. I get this one the other day, Crave. My sister sent her baby from New York with this one, and I stole this one because she said good for the eczema.
The issue of bleaching was first brought to my attention on Read Across Jamaica Day, May 6, 2025. 3 weeks later, I revisited the school, May 28, 2025. That's when the child told me his skin was being bleached. A senior teacher, along with the boy's class teacher, facilitated an interview. His voice was distorted, his face was not shown, the school was not named. Another child's body was also used to depict bleaching to conceal his identity. It's why we have decided to hide his mother's image as well. In the meantime, she denies all bleaching claims again.
Somebody tutored him to say that is bleaching.
She also argues that the teacher didn't exhaust all options to contact her regarding the issue.
If you were trying to reach out to me about his skin, he has a dad, he has me. What about WhatsApp messages? What about text messages? Writing a note in the back of his book? Send something to me. Papers are at the school, free of cost. You're not going to pay for the paper, you're not going to pay for the print. Reach out to me.
Romarda Lyons, TVJ News.
Now we must stress that the teacher says she made efforts to reach the mom on several occasions. To other news now.